Check out this dope-ass sounds from a black hole. Oh, glorious science! Science, what have you discovered for us? You have discovered the sound of a black hole, science. Oh my God, it is wonderful. I didn't even know that we could do anything like this. Can you believe it? We actually can hear the sound of a black hole. I mean, God damn, all the research and all the motherfucking technology that has brought us to this place to where we can actually hear what a black hole 250 million light years away sounds like. I mean, this is just incredible. I, as a science nerd and as a nerd and Marvel nerd and all that type of shit that involves nerd-like shit, I'm just very